Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 13, Update on Windows 10 and Excel 2016. MS Excel 2010. The conditional formatting and filtering capability have been enhanced in Excel 2010 version. Conditional formatting is your way of telling Excel to format all the cells that meet a criteria in a certain way. Example, you can use conditional formatting to change the font color of your cells with negative values or change background color of cells with duplicate value. The basic fundamental improved in conditional formatting are: more options are given for data bars. New icons are introduced for menus. Now it is possible to refer values from other worksheets in the current worksheets after specifying criteria. The basic fundamentals improved in filtering capabilities also. In a large worksheet, finding any information has become easy with a new search box. MS Excel 2016. Excel 2016 for Windows had all the functions and features you are used to with some new features from Office 2016. Here are some of the improved features for Excel 2016. First, 6 new chart types. In Excel 2016 has added 6 new charts with the same rich formatting options that you are familiar with. To view all new charts, click on Recommended Charts and go to All Charts. What is Get and Transform? Excel includes a powerful set of features called Get and Transform, which provides fast, easy data gathering and shaping capabilities. Get and Transform enables you to connect, combine and refine data sources to meet your analysis needs. These features are also used in Power BI and in the Power Query add-in, available for previous version of Excel. Microsoft 3D Maps for Excel is a three-dimensional data visualization tool that lets you look at information in a new ways. 3D Maps lets you discover insights you might not see in traditional two-dimensional tables and charts. The innovative set of storytelling capabilities has been renamed as 3D Maps. It is now available to all Excel 2016. To open 3D Maps, click 3D Map on the Insert tab. Thank you.